Welcome to how to install the Armor latch system for sliding glass doors. Here you see the finished product. You pull up and pull down on the latch, and it does a great job on this Pella sliding glass door of keeping it secure. Here's what comes in the package. The first thing you need to do is to select where you're going to place the latch. And you want to be mindful of where the latch exists on the door. So in my case, I position the latch high enough so that when I unlock it, it doesn't run into the original latch. So here we're just trying to figure out where to place it. Once we've determined that, then we have to select the piece that doesn't move, the part that is secured to the side of the door. We just mark the holes. Next, we screw it in with the screws that are provided. The sliding door always makes that squeaky noise. That's not the new latch. So now we have to align it onto the door and select where we're going to drill our 4 holes. Showing there that the latch is high enough so that it doesn't run into the other latch when you open it. Now we just screw in the 4 bolts. Did I say bolts? I meant screws. Pull up and pull down, that unlocks it. Closes securely. Put the finishing bezel on. That's all there is to it. Pretty easy. So thanks for watching.